keep your children culturally motivated.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this teaser, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when the full vlog is released.